here. We have the headgear here. It's actually a very nice premium feeling headgear. They actually went away from this headgear with the newer masks like the F20. I actually think that the feel and just the overall detailing of these older headgears is actually kind of nicer. That is up until we get to the Velcro straps. I find that the Velcro straps on the newer models are a lot easier to grab, whereas these kind of older masks, it's a little harder to adjust. But the overall feel of the headgear itself is really, really nice. Now going down to the side of the mask here, we see these hooks here. And these hooks, you can see, don't require any magnets or any clips like that. Basically, you just take your loop of your headgear and slot it right down, and the tension of the mask keeps that in place. So that is a really nice option if you want a resonant mask that doesn't have magnets. They are still available. You just have to get the older models. Most pacemakers are fine with the ResMed magnets. Check with your doctor, but there are certain styles of pacemakers and different types